Hi, I'm Pete, and this is an HK Now Store unboxing. Yeah, I wonder what this could be. I wonder. Anyway, yeah, so I have a few orders from HK Now Store in the works. I got this one. I've got another order that's, according to Canada Post Tracking, supposed to be delivered next week. And then I have a third one, which is just kind of somewhere along the way. So, this is... for me, at least, an interesting puzzle and kind of cool. I know I've been really doing a lot with spherical puzzles and very puzzles lately. But you know what? Sometimes you got to get back to basics. And here we go. All right. Well, I guess I could actually open it. Anyway, box looks pretty good. So, that's not too damaged or anything. Okay, there we go. All right, you ready for the mystery? Do you have an idea what it might be? All right, I think you'll be surprised anyway. Okay, and here we have, oh, not Calvin's card, Tiffany Yu's card, and it says Marketing Manager. Okay, Tiffany Yu. Okay, so that's who you'd contact, I guess, if you have any questions, or you want to order something from HK Now Store, or you just go to their website. Okay, that's great. It's interesting to see that. I don't remember getting a different card other than Calvin, but you know, maybe Tiffany's taken over. All right, here we go. What do we got? Okay, looks like we got masks. Oh, very nice. We got some masks. I like that. And one puzzle and an empty box. So, one puzzle. All right, let's have a look here. Now, what did I get? What does that look like? Have I suddenly gone on buying white body puzzles? Is that what it is? Okay, you can see that it says WCA. Indeed. And then it says, I don't really know. It says MeiLong. Okay. So it says MoYu, I can see that. Cubing classroom, no babies. So ages 0 to 3, so you got to wait till you're 4 to play with this. Okay? And yeah, you just have to wait, blow out those 4 candles, and you're all set. So it says MeiLong 12. 12. Okay. It gives us the some data here, and there's a website, MoYuCube.com, you could go to, I guess, if you want some more information. This is MF8866, so you could, oh, and some QAM codes for you, and even an international hotline, I guess, for all your puzzle emergencies. All right, well, what do you think? What's going on here? Did I suddenly go with a white body? Did I get a stickerless? Ooh, it's the box is sealed. This is we're moving up in the world here. Get the sealed boxes. We're gone are the days when they would just put the puzzle in and then throw the box in separately, unassembled. Okay. Oh, this is great. I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, surprise. What we have is a color plastic cube, and I suppose you could guess how many layers it has, but we'll count them anyway. Let's take the wrapper off. Oh, this is awesome. Really awesome. Okay. Okay. I have to peel this like a banana, I guess. All right, there we go. Okay, now that we have some, we can actually see it, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a 12-layer color plastic MeiLong, MoYu cube. Okay. Nice, as I would expect, nice smooth turning. I will say it's feeling a little squishy in that direction. Yeah, the whole thing's feeling a little squishy. I might go in and tighten it up a bit. but maybe not. Maybe it needs to be a little squishy. So I'll probably try solving it a couple times first. Oh, this is lovely. It really turns well. So I guess the big question is, why color plastic? Why not stickered, which is, black body stickered? And I guess the reason is, I got a bit of buyer's remorse on the 13-layer puzzle, where it came out in color plastic not long after I got it, which was a surprise because I would have liked the color plastic version. Just because once you get into these really, really high layer counts, if you want to maintain the stickers and keep your puzzle looking good, I really think that it would be difficult to resticker some of these puzzles. And that's mainly it, right? Thinking long term, and also thinking about being able to take this out and show it to people and let them handle it and not have to worry about my stickers getting destroyed. So I do like the colored plastic for the higher order puzzles. Actually, I like the colored plastic now. They're nice, and the colors are nice and vibrant. They seem to, I certainly haven't had any issues with them fading. So I really do kind of like this look. It's grown on me. So that's it. So this is my big 12-layer puzzle. All right. Wow. That is so very cool. I really like that. The contrast is great. I have no problems with seeing the difference between it. It's very, very good coloring, and yeah, it'll be quite fun to solve. So the question then is, why get a big puzzle? Well, part of the why is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I do have a 15 over here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So yeah, and oh yeah, no 16 as of the making of this video. I don't know if anyone's working on that. And then there is a 17. I have one right here. So now maybe my it's not such a sore thumb in the lineup now, if I put it this way, right? It does fit in because I have this gigantic 17-layer puzzle. So yeah, would I ever get a the color plastic 13-layer? I'm not sure. They also make a flat one, and probably flat with colored plastic, which might make these two kind of match up, but then my 15-layer is not. So I don't think I'm going to replace any more puzzles. Like, I'm happy with these. I'm just going to keep them the way they are. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, why these big puzzles, right? Because once you know how to solve like a 4-layer or 5, 6-layer, why go with these big puzzles? And you know what? Sometimes you just want to have something just fun that doesn't take a lot of thought, but it's still rewarding. I think that's basically what it comes down to. These puzzles have a lot of routine to it. Like when you're solving the phases, you just kind of, it's grunt work. You just do it. You don't have to think. But then when you get to pairing up the edges, there is some thinking you have to do. I like doing different methods on the edges. My favorite for these big, really big cubes is free slice for the first 8 edges, and then do the conventional swap and replace for the last 4. But what you end up with are some pretty gnarly, messed up edges the last couple. You have to do the edge swaps. You have to do Red Bull a few times. And on these even order puzzles, you can actually end up having to do flip an entire edge in your last layer solve, because you end up with one flipped edge, which is just a gigantic Red Bull. You have to flip half the pieces, and then or apply Red Bull to half the pieces, and it flips the whole edge. So it's fun. I just find that interesting, but not super hard. Just the sort of thing to do when you don't want to have something really super challenging where you have to do original algorithms or something. So that's my reasoning for it. I don't know. What do you think of big puzzles? You like them? You hate them? Indifferent? Would you like to get more big puzzles? Is it don't have time to solve them? Don't have room in your house, which is a problem for me. Maybe they're too expensive, because certainly, for example, we have the 19-layer version of this. That's right now. It's just, you know, I could afford it, but I don't want to afford it. And as far as I know, there is no 16 layer at the time of this video. I assume someone will fill that in someday. But yeah, no 16 layer. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, what do you think of big cubes? Do you not like solving them yourself, but maybe you don't mind watching other people solve them? Let me know what you think. And on my channel, there will be some more big cube content coming up, so do look for that not too long down the road. And as always, any other comments, questions, or suggestions, please do leave me feedback. I do appreciate it. I read everything. And I really do appreciate you taking the time. All right, well, that's it for me. Until next time, thanks for watching. Okay, I've done something here. Okay, let's try this way. Okay. Oop, okay, yeah, I'm bad at this. Oh boy, yeah, I'm bad at this. Oh boy. All right, well, let's try this one. Maybe it'll work out. No? Humbug. All right, well, I managed to scramble my puzzle on the first try here. I have no idea what I've done. Okay, let's just pause right here and fix it.